Hello. I'd like to purchase your animal.
Okay.
I just need to ask you a couple questions. Has the dog ever bit anybody?
Bitten anybody?
Yeah.
They're puppies.
Yeah, but who knows?
They're babies. No, they never bitten nobody.
When was
Where are you from?
I'm from Hamilton.
Okay.
When was the last time you fed the animal?
Fed. They got food now. They got food in front of them all the time.
Okay. Well, starve the dog for a couple of days and give me a call back.
I never would. Never would. Bye.
He hung up?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, yeah.
I'm good. I'm calling about your bird. It's a beautiful bird. The one that's on the picture.
No, what kind? I posted different ads there for my different kinds of birds.
Alright, hold on, let me check. I don't remember.
Where are you calling from?
Hamilton?
Okay. My call right is Arizona.
That's weird.
You?
No, I'm from Hamilton.
480 or something like that. Maybe you're calling from using Magic Jack.
No, I'm using some other thing.
It's okay.
Yeah, the one that's it's like a it has like all different colors.
No, hold on. Can you just read the ad from? Just in heading, the title of the ad?
It says a green check.
Kanye?
Yeah. That one.
75?
Pardon?
For 175?
Yeah, that one there.
Is it for 175 for each, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have them.
Well, can you do me a favor though? Like, can you gift wrap the bird?
Can I what?
Gift wrapped it. Like that gift wrap.
Do you want me to give you as a gift?
Yeah, like for my snake.
For? Huh?
For my snake.
For your snake? You want me to fuck you? I can fuck you.
You can?
I said if you want, I can fuck you.
Really?
Yeah. Come here, I can fuck you. I'll show you how to feed the bird to a snake.
What?
What happened?
What?
What happened?
Well, you were being mean. You hurt my feelings.
No. Sorry?
You hurt my feelings.
What do you mean? I heard your feelings. What kind of feelings?
Like the feelings that I have?
What kind of feeling you had?
The hurt ones?
Yeah.
You did, and I would like to talk about this.
Sorry?
We should go see a psychiatrist together.
What are you on?
What am I on?
Yeah, what are you on?
I'm on air.
Why are you calling me?
Well, because I want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend?
Yeah. We'll hang out, go to the movies.
What? For what?
I'll pay you.
I'm not a gay.
You're not a gay. Well, we can still be
I'm not
friends.
Gay.
You don't have to be gay to be my friend. You know, just because you touch one dick in the world doesn't mean you're gay.
No, I already have so many friends. I don't want more friends.
Well, will you give me a hug at least? We'll meet up and I'll give you a hug.
Okay, come here.
Yeah, well, can I buy the bird off you though?
Yeah, come here, sir.
You gonna sell it to me? Or are you gonna get your shovel and try to hit me?
Yep.
You're gonna try to hit me?
I'll hug you.
You will?
I'll hug you. Come here.
Well, try to speak proper English because I can't understand you.
I said I'll hug you. Come here.
You'll hot me? Hot. Hot.
I didn't say hug. I said hug.
Hug?
H-U-G. Hug.
Go back to the sand dunes. Sander.